Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So it is a decently beautiful day today. It is already afternoon. We've done a lot of stuff around the homestead today, but there are some things that just need to be picked up around here. This ain't a Martha Stewart farmhouse. It has junk piling up in certain places around the homestead that we just need to pick up and find where they need to go and just stop laying them around, me being a little lazy. So hubby is going to help me tackle some of these projects. Like that right there needs to go up to the front of, actually I need to find a place for that. That needs to find a home. I've got hay bales that were from Thanksgiving and Halloween that I need to go ahead and haul out and get rid of, probably take those to the garden. Then I've got my garden bed that I showed you had broke. Hubby said he's going to help me go ahead and get that fixed. He's gonna go grab some screws and we're gonna see if we can tackle that right now. So he's gonna go get the screws and see if he can help me go ahead and fix this bed that came apart. And then potentially, I don't know, we can't fix the other ones right now until I dump all of the stuff out of it, which I might as well just go ahead and do. I don't know, we'll figure it out as we go. I'll just take you guys along with me as we pick up here around the homestead. All right, friends, so this is all the wood that we have gathered that is no good to actually burn, but we're gonna try to burn it and get rid of it. Hubby tried this a few days ago and it just would not burn. Though it was just too wet. So we're gonna see if he can do it again. Second time's a charm. Ladies, gather. Hey, get out of there, mister.
Careful though. Now it's got seeds in it.
Does it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. It's got seeds in it.
Okay. So we can't use it.
You gotta burn it or it's all wet. It's not good.
I was hopeful that that turned into straw instead of hay, but my husband just said that it still has seeds in it. So I can't be putting that in the garden because I'll have a bunch of hay growing up in my garden and that's what I don't want. So we're gonna have to get rid of it. It's not good to put with the pigs or any of the other animals because it has been sitting here getting wet. So we'll most likely just go ahead and burn it. Oh well, it is what it is. Now to the burn pile we go. Well, we got the fire going now. Just need a little bit of hay on there. We're gonna stay out here and watch it just in case it gets a little out of control. We're still Californians, trying to be Kentuckians, but it's hard to break the no fire rule and not be freaked out when you see something like that. It is going to rain tonight, so that is why we're doing it right now. And it has been raining off and on for the last few days. So it's quite wet out here, but still, I will be watching. All right, friends, so here are the screws that came with, and then here is the screw that I'm gonna go ahead and put in. And as you can see, this screw is gonna be a lot longer and a lot thicker. So this should last. I'm gonna go ahead and do this first bed. These other beds I will do on a different day. I only have time to do this one right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this bed right now. right, here are two of the screws that we took out, and they already started breaking. As we were pulling them out, they had already snapped. So it's a good thing we went ahead and replaced them right now. Now we'll go ahead and do the other side with our new nails. Alright friends, so at least I now have it up. I actually ran out of screws, the right kind of screws, so I do need to go into town and buy more before I can actually finish this bed. But at least I got the sides up and they are working now. Later I will go through and clean up all this dirt that has fallen on the ground, and I'll just push it over there, and I'll probably do the same thing with the soil that's in these other beds. I'll just throw them into this pile, let it go towards my garden, and I'll put new soil in here at the beginning of spring. Alright friends, so I'm done here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and clean up around the porch a little bit and then sit in front of that nice fire pit that we have and just relax for the rest of the evening. Friends, so the number one thing that I always have a problem with, and I can't figure out what is a good solution, a cheap solution that possibly I can make myself, is our muck boots. I've got muck boots everywhere. I don't want them inside because they just collect dust and dirt and stuff inside, and they're going to take over all my front living room, so I don't want them in there. I would prefer to have them outside, but the way they are now, rain comes in here and they just end up getting wet. I would like to flip them upside down. Drop down in the comments what y'all think I can do with them, or something that you have done with them. Your muck boots that you have on your porch, just to keep them out of the way and also keep them from critters and water getting inside of them. Let me know what you all do. Our beautiful Christmas wreath that I don't want to throw away, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in the trash, will be the last thing I need to pick up here on the porch, and then we'll be all done. Alright friends, so thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Just little things that I do here around the homestead, just to keep it clean, keep it tidy, fix things, you know, whatever needs to be done. Until next time friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day. Never mind, I will be taking this back. Came inside and my husband said, don't you want to keep that? And maybe you can just take out the stuff and use the metal and make your own wreath. I was like, oh, that's a brilliant idea. I have them around, folks. Keeps me on my toes. So I'll be putting this in the pump house with all my other stuff. And I will take it apart and use this, hopefully to make a new wreath for myself.